Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Clip Studio Paint on your phone and creating a new canvas right away. Choose a preset or custom size, and set DPI to 300 if you plan to print. Once done, import a reference image into a separate layer so you can trace or sample colors. Make sure to enable stabilization for smoother lines and pick a brush and size that suit your style. This gets you drawing immediately, avoiding roundabout setup steps and locking in a clean workspace to work from. You continue by roughing in shapes on a sketch layer, then reduce its opacity and create a new layer for refining. Once refined, switch to a vector layer for linear, because vectors let you edit stroke thickness and correct curves without blurring. Make sure to use the stabilizer and pen pressure settings to control line weight. This is why your initial strokes matter. Also, apply rulers and perspective guides to align forms, and use selections to trim or clean edges before moving to color stages. Finish by blocking in flat colors on layers beneath linear, then add shading on clipping masks and highlights on overlay layers. This preserves edges and speeds edits. When ready, export as PNG for transparent backgrounds, JPG for sharing, or PSD for continued editing on desktop. If tools lag or brushes stutter, reduce canvas resolution or the number of layers, clear the app cache, and close background apps. This usually fixes performance issues. If problems persist, restart the app and check for app updates to restore stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.